Simon, would you hold that, please? We're going to go on an imaginary journey in your
Well,
mind.
let's skip this trick.
Focus on it, right?
Let's skip this trick. Let's skip this trick. This is a part 2 of magic.
Philadelphia Eagles, he's the long snapper.
There we go.
Yeah.
Your way into this magic even more importantly.
And that's the
So,
audition.
let's see his trick now.
Beautiful girlfriend Annalise. And my mom, who's my aunt, who is the greatest mom in the entire world that started raising me when I was 12, 13 years old. My sister and I went into temporary foster care. And my mom's sister, who's sitting right there, gave up her entire life, did everything she could to fight for custody for my sister and I.
Oh, that's nice.
So I'm going to give you the stage. Best of luck.
Okay, let's see the magic.
So you said you got to make the show bigger, so boom. Anyways, okay. So I love this. Neil, you're going to love this. We got a deck. They're huge. You guys can't miss these. All I want you to do is just touch anyone you want. It
Yeah,
doesn't matter.
that is
Anyone?
huge.
Okay. Do you want to keep this or change your mind?
You want to keep it or
Or
change it?
my mind. You're that guy. Okay, here.
Okay.
Just touch one.
Let's go here.
Okay, stop. Do you want to keep this one or do you want to change
I'm
it?
gonna keep this
Oh,
one.
I
You're
can
sure?
see
Yes.
it.
I don't want to see it. I'm going to blindfold myself. Show the camera.
It's the
show
same
the crowd.
card.
Yeah, I'm not looking. I'm going to look down.
He's
Okay.
making
everybody think of
him
this card.
forced
Think of the color, the shape, the size, everything
to
about
pick
it.
that
And here's
card
all I'm gonna
because
do is
it's
I'm
the
gonna
same
draw
card.
this card. Ladies and gentlemen, this is ESP at its best. So far, so good.
Mm.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, so
So
what
when I get
next?
this right, this is so sick. Ladies and gentlemen, the card that everybody here is thinking of. Neo, the card you're thinking of, you're feeling it right now, is none
Yeah.
other than the Ace of Clubs. Killing it.
That's
No?
not it. No.
Okay, hold on. That's amateur hour. You guys thought I drew the Ace of Clubs. No way. I thought I'd step this up. And ladies and gentlemen, right here before you, I drew an entire deck of cards.
Okay,
And Neo's card,
that's
It's
like a
inside.
box, right?
see what I mean? See what I did there?
So what next, dude?
I tell you what, this would be a good trick. What was it?
You want me to tell you?
It's gonna help me out a lot right now, yeah.
Five of clubs.
Let me see it. Okay, good.
Okay.
What if I could change that? Watch. Watch the ace. Five of clubs. I got the suit right. So I just gotta add a few clubs. Watch the ace. That would have been good though, how I could change it.
Yeah, that will be
Honestly, I probably would've walked out of the room.
cool.
Because
That
I
will
could've
be
done
cool.
that. Remember earlier I said it was inside?
Yeah.
Watch.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, no. No.
There you go.
No.
Now look, I didn't want to do this, but look, just to show you, that five has been drawn on there the entire time. There is your ace. There is your
No.
five. I'm John Norboss. Peace out.
That
No.
make you a little bit nervous?
Yeah.
How? Please tell me how.
That was good.
Can I do something?
What? You got the golden button. What? You got the golden button. Props to you, dude. Props to you. Props, dude.
Just hit his golden buzzer for you. How's it feel?
I'm speechless, man. I'm speechless. You're the man.
Am I allowed to go closer to you guys?
You can, yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Now, the thing about bar magic as opposed to regular magic is the fact that I don't use big props. I can't afford them.
Okay, then why you need the stage if the magic is
All I have.
in right there? Like
Now, the thing about
the magic
that happens
in
close to your face
the.
is that it has to be performed exquisitely.
Remember that one time where he hit that button and that was being destroyed? Looks like they fixed it. Hey! Yay, they fixed it.
Honestly, just do not
Wait,
like
did the
because
magician like get the money to help? Oh,
and
he didn't. I don't know. Please tell me. Even wait, I don't have no comments. Why? Why YouTube? Why you take down the comments? Oh yeah, I already know. It's protection. Anyway, yeah. So what's next? Okay. The ball went towards her hand. Now she have 2 balls. Yay.
Because
Okay.
I am ghetto.
Wait, what? He doesn't have no sleeve. What? How? Okay. Whoa. So, no, not the water.
Thank you. Not my name, though. That is the name.
No ways. Oh, I already know the thing. Just like, boom, and then quickly, move. Okay. Looks like I'm gonna expose the magic. So, that fire, right? That fire? That wasn't a fire. It just was a distraction so he can take that bird from his sleeve. And he got also another bird in his sleeve too. Yay. So, yeah, what next? You can see his sleeves was, you can see that, right? Like basically quickly take the bird from your sleeve and then put it on your head. Just take the bird from your sleeve. Yay. So that's basically it. You can see he's like trying to hold the birds so they won't fall. So yeah. This is all distraction. The fire's distraction, so he can. How that's happened? That's a squeezing ball. That's just like not a real egg, just a squishy. What was it called again, right? But yeah, he had the bird in one of his sleeves. Oh, that's secret pockets. Maybe, yeah, or maybe sleeves. Oh, that cage was like, how I say it? Well, basically, that isn't like a real cage. It is a real cage, but you can just, like, basically, you can squeeze it and then it's like going to go together. I don't know how to say it. Anyway, they also have like a bird in the cage, so that's how it works. I don't know how to say it. So, yeah, in his sleeves, he got all the birds. He got the cages in his sleeves too. He got the bird in the cage in his sleeves. So basically, yeah. Yeah. So, all that birds are gone from his sleeves, so he can just take the jacket off. So, what's going to happen? Of course, it's always the lady. Well, they have the cardboard between the lady and the bird. So yeah, birds in his sleeves, the cages in his sleeves, and go behind the cardboard, and it's between the birds and the lady. So expose! They're all confused because that fire was just a distraction.
Tonight I have a gift once again, which I'm going to leave in front of you, Simon, for now. I need
Okay,
you to just keep an eye on it and make sure no one touches it, just for now. I
okay,
also have the wonderful Amanda Holden's autobiography
okay,
and a photograph of our judges. Alicia, I need you to do me a favour. In just a moment, I'm going to riffle through the pages. I just need you just to say stop wherever you like for me.
Okay. Stop.
Are you happy there? It's up to you.
Yeah,
You can go forward
no,
and make.
that's fine.
You happy? What I need you to do is just remember for me just the page number that you've stopped on, and
Okay.
also just the first word on the page for me.
Okay.
Have you got
Okay.
that? Please
Yes.
remember it, and we're going to come back to that
Got it.
okay.
in just a moment. Now, Amanda, I actually kept the receipt for your book.
Good.
Don't panic. I was never planning on taking it back. I just wanted to show you that magic is all around us all the time. We just have to choose to find it. If I was to go back in time, for example, and get my cash back, it would look something like this.
Yeah, that's true. Magic is
Please tell
everywhere.
us, what was the page number that you just chose a moment ago?
176.
176.
Yes.
176. Remember that, guys.
Is in fact a message in a bottle. If you look closely, you'll see that actually it is a page. If I open it up so you can all see, it is in fact a page from your book, Amanda.
Okay.
Alicia, please tell us, what page have I got here?
176.
176, the same page.
What?
Please turn to page 176
How?
as quick as you can for me, Alicia.
I'm definitely
As quick as you
I
can, and you will find
literally exposed that
page
guy's
176
magic.
no longer
I mean,
exists in the book.
Now, that,
sorry, dude.
Because this isn't just a matching page, but this is in fact the exact page.
What? He's literally ripped the page
Now, Alicia,
apart.
you also chose a
You're
word.
like,
First time, please tell us, which word did you choose?
one of my favourites. Bottom.
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 Great choice, great choice. Ladies and gents, it's been an absolute pleasure and a real dream come true to perform live in front of the nation tonight. Just to finish, burnt into the page, the chosen word.
Bottom.
Thank you.
Bottom. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and we'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you next time.